Hello. So after watching A Color of His Own being signed in ASL, I noticed a lot of stuff and also learned a lot of stuff, especially about classifiers. Really like classifiers actually when I'm watching this video because it really shows a clear image of what's to be understood um, or explained. And some specific ones I really liked throughout the video were the tiger stripes, like she showed it like the horizontal stripes on her body as well as the face. Also, the leaf floating through the air. She shows like her hand just swaying through the wind. Um, Also, like the chameleons walking together. She shows like the two of them and like swaying her hands as if they're walking together. Also, the pigtail was pretty cool, also, curling her finger to look like a pig's tail. So, the specific timestamp I used was when she's explaining the chameleon on top of the lemon turning yellow, and then the purple chameleon going through the purple plants. I really liked how she signed lemon. She did the actual sign, that she finger spelled it, and then she showed a classifier of a lemon, and then she finger spells chameleon, shows the chameleon on top of the lemon, just showed a clear image of what she was saying. Also, the purple chameleon going through the purple plants. She shows it going through like a field of flowers or plants, and I just really liked that part. So that's what I chose for this video.